Good morning, America. We hope you are all doing well. Earlier this morning, some small asteroids hit these places: the Caribbean, Komodo Island, Arizona, and the coast of Australia and America. The asteroids seem to be leaking some sort of green liquid. Scientists don't know if this liquid is dangerous or not, but we will update you to let you know. Next up, sport news.
This message has been requested by the United States government. This is not a test. Earlier this morning, near the crash site of one of the asteroids seen earlier this morning, some large creature resembling a crocodile with mutant features was spotted in the river, capsizing a boat. We don't know what this creature's intentions are, but to stay safe, just to be sure, do not go near water, don't venture off far. Tune in so we will update you on the current situation.
Good morning, America. Though it is not good at all, for there is a mutant crocodile rampaging through Chicago. People are calling this creature Lizzie, named after the character from the game Rampage. This creature appears to be very hostile, but we will go to our reporter, Sarah G. Sakan, to update us on what's going on.
Thanks, Tim Pillows. As we can see, there appears to be a giant crocodile with tusks, spikes, and gills for ears. People are calling this crocodile Lizzie from that game Rampage. Oh. And it's eating a tank. And it stomped on someone. Oh no. It's looking at me. Oh God.
Well, this is not good at all. We need everyone to get into shelter or evacuate if necessary. Sorry, this news will soon be interrupted by an EAS alert.
This is not a test. This is not a test. Around 5 minutes ago, a mutant crocodile nicknamed Lizzie has been spotted in Chicago, destroying downtown. We don't know what the casualties numbers are, but they are expected to be high. Stay indoors in a shelter, or evacuate if necessary. Bring some supplies with you. Take a printable radio with you to tune in for further updates. Please stand by for further updates.
Hello again. Hope you're all doing well. Though I'm not, since we have some new reports of new monsters attacking capital cities. There is one mutant shark attacking Florida, a mutant Komodo dragon attacking New York, and a mutant iguana attacking Arizona. There is so many destruction. As you can see from the footage, this is just terrible. We will now cut to the EA's alert. My God.
This is not a test. This is not a test. Around 10 minutes ago, some new monsters, including a shark, iguana and Komodo dragon, attacked cities such as Arizona, Florida and New York. If you are in these cities, evacuate. If you can't, take shelter and hide from these monsters. Take supplies with you: food, water, perishable drinks, first aid kit, medical supplies, and a portable or battery-powered radio to tune in for further updates. Please tune in for further updates. Please stand by. Please stand by.
Hello again. Hope you're... Oh, screw it. We have a new report of a new monster that is attacking San Francisco. A mutant T-Rex. Can you believe this? It's Gigasaur all over again. Except it's in America this time. This new monster is probably the most dangerous monster yet, and is ravaging San Francisco like if it was made of paper. Many deaths have happened so much, it's mere uncountable now. We are doing another EAS alert now.
This is not a test. This is not a test. Around 10 minutes ago, a new monster, a mutant T-Rex, has appeared on San Francisco, and now all of the monsters are heading to Washington, D.C. Everyone in the city must evacuate immediately. Take essential items with you: food, water, non-perishable drinks, first aid kit, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio to tune in for further updates. The President will speak now.
My people, it is with great regret that I must inform you that since normal weaponry has no effect on these monsters, we will have to resort to a nuclear strike. It is a last resort I have wished would never happen, but I must save our country and the world. Anyone out there, take shelter, because soon when this message is over, I will press the button to stop those devils of monsters from turning our great country into a destroyed wasteland. Goodbye for now, and may God bless America.
That was a message from the President from the United States. Please stand by for further updates.